In the previous episode, we understood what practice is and why we should practice. In this episode, let us understand one of the most important lessons of life, that is, how to practice. Without any further delay, let's jump into it. The 14th sutra is Satu Dirgha Kala Nairantarya Satkara Sevito Drida Bhumihi, which means when constant efforts are put for a long time with sincerity, love and care, then that practice becomes firmly grounded. We all seek mastery in one or the other subject. We might be jack of all trades, but deep within there is a desire to become a master of something in life. I'm sure you remember the concept of 10,000 repetitions to form a new neural pathway from our previous episode. So therefore, to master something, there needs to be consistency, repetition, and practice. Some people say don't just practice, but practice perfectly. But in my opinion, perfection is counterproductive. Perfection hampers the speed in the progress. It is unnecessary burden on our shoulders. Now the obvious question is, how do we practice? Again, sage Patanjali beautifully phrases it at 3 levels. At the first level, he says it should be Dirgha Kala, which means for a long time. The only way to achieve goals is by doing it for a long time. For how long? It is 24 into 7 into 365 days. Yes, it should become a part of your life. As a matter of fact, subconscious mind doesn't understand the concept of time. Therefore, what you seek should become a part of you. It should become like your very own breath. There is no shortcut to practice. At the second level, he says it should be Nairantarya, which means continuous and uninterrupted. Practicing continuously and regularly for 1 year takes you way closer to what you seek than practicing on and off for 10 years. Therefore, there is no shortcut to practice. There are no immediate results in life. Results come with continuous, regular, and uninterrupted practice. The third and the last level to practice is earnestness. What is earnestness? It is love, sincerity, and care on what we seek and how we perform the act of practice. It is to believe in what you are doing and at the same time have faith in achieving it. It is to enjoy and flow in the journey of what you seek. More you enjoy, lesser the complaints, more the gratitude, and more the gratitude, seamless will be the process of practice. So these are the 3 levels to perform a practice. When these are followed, there is a firm ground in what you seek. And these also settle your mind and keep your mind extremely calm. Remember, calm mind produces a masterpiece for a lifetime. So it is always better to have a steady and firm ground on what you seek and firm ground on how you practice. As an end note, I wish to remind that for a child to be born, it takes 9 months. In the same way, for our goals to be achieved, it takes time. All we need to do is be patient and persistent. At the end, it's about the journey and not about the destination. That being said, let me end this episode. Don't forget to celebrate your life and celebrate your living. See you in the next one. Until then, peace.